Supreme Court will be hearing arguments on the state's 6-week fetal heartbeat law on Wednesday. In Colombia, the law was passed in February of 2019, but was blocked by federal courts because of Roe v. Wade. But when the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe in June, the law took effect in the Palmetto State on June 27th. But it was then put on hold by the state Supreme Court on August 17th when Planned Parenthood and other abortion rights advocates filed a lawsuit saying the fetal heartbeat law violates the state's privacy law. While the fetal heartbeat law has been on hold, lawmakers at the State House have been working on a stricter version of the legislation. Most recently, House lawmakers rejected the state Senate's abortion bill last week, which proposed a 12-week abortion ban. The Senate will return to take up the issues on the 18th of this month. Right now, with the 6-week law on hold, the state's 20-week abortion ban is in place.